Hi again. What we're going to do is we're going to keep some of the background, but we don't want to have these squared corners. So I'm going to just show you real quickly. So we're going to do the same thing we did before as far as going in and tracing around the image, but we want to stylize it a little bit. So I'm going to start right up here where the hand is. Actually first I want to get rid of this color because I don't want the color to show up while I'm working. And I will go ahead and do that. Then I will go to this, and you'll see that the outline is blue. And I'll just leave it with the blue. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to try to figure out the best way to do this. I think what I'm going to do is I'm not going to worry about it being round. So I'll kind of square it off just a little bit, but still get the general shape. And then that way we can still have some of the coloring that's back here, because I kind of like that. Then I'll go out to the point here. I'll come down here. I think that's pretty good. We can always move it in closer if we want, but I think this will work just fine. Now, right here, we have a little bit of an issue with how his garment is coming out in a direction like that. So I think what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and bring it to a point here. We would lose some of his hand on that side, so we'll just go ahead and click around it a little bit. That's okay. Come here, go up. And you can play around with, how you want that to look. It doesn't have to be exactly the same way that I have it. Then I'm just going to come up here. I want to keep that. So I'm just going to come straight across. And now I have it the whole thing is selected. And again, what we're going to do is we're going to select the background first. And then we'll come in with the shift key, hold the shift key and click on it to make sure that we select it. It's harder to see the blue in this blue, but if you look, let's see here, let me try this. Yeah, I have enough room out here. So I'm selecting the blue outline first, hold down the shift, click that, which means I should have everything selected there. Then we're going to go up to object, we'll go down to clipping mask and make. And now it gives us kind of this funky, cool, kind of decorative cutout. On the other side, you will just, using the pen tool, just trace around this the same way you are doing the first image there. So there you go. There's number 2, and talk to you later.